Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leslie and today we are making a baby card. So I'm starting out here by stamping a welcome little one stamp from the Hoppy Easter kit with Queen & Co. You guys know I love this kit. I originally stamped it in silver and realized that I did not like the impression it made, so I cleaned off my stamp and decided to stamp it in Versamark ink and then just emboss it in silver, which I feel like came out much better. It just had that contrast that I wanted. Unfortunately, I forgot to use my anti-static powder. So you'll see here me trying to get the little specks off. I did not get them all off. I gave up. I just went, you know what? It's good enough. And then I just use a piece of copy paper, the instructions from those kits as my glitter catcher so that I can get the excess back into the bottle. And then this is me just warming up the embossing powder. I just love the shine that ends up coming off of this. And then I'm going to put on some scrap paper. This is why you keep your scraps. Don't be a hoarder. Don't be a hoarder. It has potential. You know the meme I'm talking about. But this is why you keep those scraps, is because you can put them on the ends and then it looks like your piece of paper has a beautiful mat and you didn't actually use a full sheet of paper. And so you're making your craft supplies last longer. That's all I'm saying. And then I'm going to cut off those two end pieces and I'm going to keep those pieces for another day because those can be turned into little banners. So, you know, I'm going to keep those. I am using a piece of, I think they call it gingham, you know, the pattern paper. It's from Honeybee Stamps. I'll try to link it down below. I love that it ended up matching the other paper that I was using. Of course, I am using a sketch from Kendra's card challenge number 10. That's the one I'm working on right now. I'm trying to do 3 sets of cards this time around since I am getting in on the beginning of the challenge this time around, but we'll see what happens. I'm not going to do full videos this time, so if you want to see all the cards that I make for these challenges, you're going to have to follow me on Instagram, which is also located down below in the description box. I'm getting much better at description box, guys, and like cards and infos. I'm learning all the buttons on YouTube. It's so much fun. So as you can see, my little sheep wool has some dots going on. That is from an embossing folder from Queen & Co. I love Queen & Co, guys. I do use other places, but Queen & Co just has my heart right now. I may be, you know, purchasing more soon. And of course, I did try to glue down that lovely little wool first and then stick my legs underneath again and had to pull that up. So that was lovely. And then that's the little outline die, because of course you can make this little sheep into a, I just lost the word, a little shaker card. That's what I love to do. But for this time, I did not make a shaker card. I just made a plain little sheep with some texture and gorgeousness and all the patterns. So, you know, these dies are versatile. You don't have to make a shaker card. You can just make a little sheep, which is adorable. I'm just saying. And of course, I didn't use some green, all these green colors, so I could use this for a baby girl or a baby boy. We're going to put it in my stash and see what's born first. And that little bow actually came from Spellbinders. That was with my mystery unboxing that I did. I will link that video because I know how to link things now. Woot! And here I am deciding whether I like gems for eyes. Now, the kit does, of course, come with dies that cut out eyes, but I thought gems would be prettier and then it just looked creepy. So I decided to go away with that. I am adding some pretty gems for a little bit of shine throughout this card. Just one in the top, one in the corner, and 2 around the welcome little one. And then I decided, well, that's not the end of this card. I need to add feet. And then I'm going to add eyes with my pen because I figured that looked less creepy than the gems. I'm just saying. I had a lot of fun making these cards. I enjoyed doing this so much, guys. And thank you for listening to me babble and ramble. That's my final card. like, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow me, and have a fantastic day. Bye now.